We love Pharrell here with the unboxings, but we bring to you once again the friends and family version of the Human Race NMD. Let's see what this looks like. Breathe and walk. What's up, guys? Fresco BK here, live at Stadium Goods. We are located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. So please feel free to pull up. I have a really special unboxing look for you guys today. We've done a plethora of unboxings on the Pharrell Human Race NMD. So of course we're gonna revisit the Pharrell Human Race, but this one's a little bit special because it's only available to friends and family. But we have them here in store, right here at Stadium Goods. So I'm gonna open up this box top. Same classic Human Race box top. You see the Hu in the 2018. And once again, I mentioned this is friends and family, so it will not be released. But of course, we've got our hands on them here at Stadium Goods. So we have the Human Race, Pharrell NMD, another version of the friends and family. You guys can see right here in my hands. So as we look at the upper on this shoe, it's a multicolor, so it features the black with a variety of different colors here. So we have the prime knit upper, classic to the NMD styles, and the left foot reads walk. So we have a blue W, orange A, purple L, and yellow K right there. So it reads walk in the multicolor. We have the black caging right here on the outer panels. We have the boost midsole, which is classic, and the trail outsole, which we'll get to shortly. We have the black with the 3M laces, which you guys can see right there. And in the tongue pull tab area in the front, features the 3M trimming, and the 3M trimming runs throughout the top into the back panel with the Pharrell Williams on the left foot. Normal, classic NMD Human Race insert. And as we get to this outsole here, outsole full black trail that you guys can see here, but we have another multicolored hit right here. It has some blues, yellows, oranges, purples, pretty much the same colors that are in the upper of the shoe. So the only difference between the right and the left, the right reads breathe and the left reads walk, as I just mentioned. So we have the sail colored B, it's like a teal R, blue E, orange A, purple T, yellow H, and a blue E right there. So breathe on the right foot, walk on the left foot. The right foot features the additional set of laces, which are white with the 3M, and the Adidas logo right there on the back. Adidas logo on the back of the right foot, and the Pharrell Williams logo on the back of the left foot. I'm gonna give you guys one last look at the friends and family Breathe and Walk Human Race NMD, brought to you by Pharrell Williams and Adidas. And we do have this shoe available here at Stadium Goods. We're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. So please feel free to pull up anytime between 12 and 8. Download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and on Android. Please like and share all of our videos on Facebook and on YouTube. We genuinely appreciate that. Visit stadiumgoods.com for any inquiries or questions you might have regarding Stadium Goods. And last but not least, make sure you follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms. I am Fresco BK, and salute.